This is step one of a few short tutorials to help you get set up so you can start streaming on DLive. It is just what you need to know in quick, easy steps. This is created especially for the ones of the Marfoogle family in the Creator's Corner. If you're anything like me, you just want the Cliff Notes. Let's just get to it. Don't tell me all the extra stuff I don't need to know right now. Well, you're in the right place. First, set up your DLive. Go to DLive.tv and find the sign up button in the top right hand corner. It's actually very simple to follow the prompts and fill everything out, but I would like to let you know in advance you're going to want to have a thumbnail ready, because when you get to this point and you start filling these things out, on the left, look, you'll want a thumbnail. So you might want to have that ready. Now back up to the top. I just want to show you a few things. I had a lot of questions as I was going through there, so maybe I could just help drill it down for you. You'll want to enter a live stream title that will describe what your stream is about. However, you do not have to enter your live stream information every time you want to start a live stream. You can start your live stream from your software and it will automatically use your live stream information from the last broadcast. The live stream information can be changed at any time. And of course, select your language, your category, and a couple of things here. Age restriction, X tag. Okay, well, you can click on this to learn more. If your content is considered not safe for work, the acronym NSFW, please enable the age restriction filter. X tag, what does that mean? X tag content policy content on the public listing pages on DLive is PG-13 and mainly for gaming and general entertainment. All controversial political news and NSFW content, not safe for work content, that contains extreme statements or profanity which a reasonable viewer may not want to be seen accessing in a public or formal setting such as a workplace should be tagged as X. Well, just to be on the safe side, I went ahead and clicked on this. One other thing I wanted to point out to you is if you go to the left stream setting, you can actually use bad word filters. So if that's what you choose to do, go right ahead. You can show your bad words list or not, and I'm not going to show it to you. Now, clicking on my profile, top right-hand side, you will see you will have the same thing. Go through every single one of those, and you're going to go, what's a Lino account, subscriptions, how do I get money, what's the partner center, get paid, the lemons. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, and I'm not going to bore you to death, but I found the perfect link, and I'm going to put it in the description box below. Oh, last suggestion. You may want to run a speed test to help you determine what settings are optimal for your live stream. Based on your upload speed, you will be able to determine what encoder settings are optimal for you. Right now, you don't have to worry about it. Just jot that note to the side.